Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shanlee Davis. I'm a pediatric endocrinologist that works at the Children's Hospital Colorado and the University of Colorado Anschutz Medical Campus. Here we have the Extraordinary Kids Clinic, which is a specialty clinic for children with XXY and other X and Y variations. All right, the next question I have is the age and timing of micro-TESE or testicular sperm extraction if you wanted to pursue that. Unfortunately, we don't have the best age. That study that I mentioned previously about whether or not being on testosterone had negative implications for sperm retrieval rates. They also looked at age, and they had two groups. One younger group, considered age 15 to 23, and one older group, which was over age 24 till about 35. And they found no differences in those two groups based on age. They also looked at the analysis in many different ways and really didn't see that age itself was an indicator for whether or not they were going to have successful sperm retrieval. They also weren't able to identify any specific labs or physical exam findings that indicated whether or not sperm retrieval was going to be successful. I think that the research is going to continue to expand, and we can hopefully have some biomarkers in the future that will let us know who's going to be successful with this procedure and who likely is not, so that we can both do it at the right time and avoid unnecessary procedures. But that research is still evolving at this time.